Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the app has not been initialized error, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is whatever app that is causing you this issue, you can go ahead and find it on your desktop. I'm just going to use a random app like Lunar Client as an example. Go ahead and right click on it and hit Properties. From Properties you want to go over to the Compatibility tab, and then from here you want to check two boxes. The first box you want to check is Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and you can also check the Run this program as an administrator. Once you go ahead and check those two boxes, hit Apply and then hit OK, and then you can go ahead and X out. The second method you guys can try doing is head over and to the app again and just delete it. So simply just delete the app and then reinstall it, and then hopefully it is reinstalled with like the latest update, for example, and then it should be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. You can always restart your PC as well, because that does tend to help as well, and yeah, then you should be good to go. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.